ESSIG PLM, Enabling Innovation. A company's success relies on its continuous improvement based on effectively managing the design, development, and manufacturing of its products. Here at ESSIG PLM, we know that the large amount of data in a product portfolio can become staggering, causing disconnected systems and requiring manual data retrieval. Product Center Nexa's Bill of Information resolves this problem by providing a user-friendly solution to unify and structure all product data. While the Bill of Materials is a complete list of all the physical components that make up a product, the Bill of Information is a superset of the BOM that manages all of the information needed during product development, from inception through retirement. Nexa's BOI approach is centered around customizable links that make navigation easy and collaboration effective. These might include design specifications, packaging instructions, workflows like ECOs, manufacturing data, and much more. We designed Nexa with an intuitive interface that allows users to view all the related items of an object. It's also possible to navigate the information with the links that provide a clear structure showing all the direct connections between the object and its correlated files. One can easily access the object's change orders, the compliance certificates, the electrical and mechanical components, and much more. With a simple click, we can expand one of its related files to find deeper connections in a structured environment. Navigating data has never been simpler. By implementing the Bill of Information with Nexa, manufacturers can streamline their operations, increase productivity, and deliver high-quality products to their customers in less time. Visit our website to learn more about how ESSIG can support your company.